Let's calculate the factorial of any number. To do that, just create a new file, fact.java. Create the class fact, okay, and create the main function. And here you just need to import java dot util dot scanner, right? And just create the object of scanner class. Scanner s equals to new scanner and system dot in. Yeah. System dot out dot print. Write the message, enter any number जिसका हमको फैक्टोरियल चाहिए वो नंबर यहाँ एंटर करेंगे and just get it into the n. Integer n equals to sc dot next, right? Then integer I equals to 1, okay? Then while I is less than or equals to n, then calculate fact equals to, and just create the variable here, integer f equals to 1, okay? And here f equals to f into 5. Upgrade the loop I plus plus, and just after the loop we need to print it. System dot out dot print factorial of plus n plus s equals to plus f, right? Just save it and compile java c fact dot java, yeah, java fact, enter any number 5, and the factorial of 5 is 120. Okay, we can also maintain the gap between this, yeah. Compile it again and run it again.